Hi guys, welcome back to DevOps and Cloud channel. Guys, this is our upcoming project. We are going to configuring on cloud complete on AWS cloud. We are going to configuring. So maybe in next 2 days, we will finish this one. Within 2 days, we will finish this session. Before that, today I'm going to taking one more new scenario. That is EKS setup. Elastic Kubernetes setup. Then guys, in today's session, we are taking Kubernetes setup. Guys, in this concept, I'm showing you here the Kubernetes cluster, little bit that minimal, that default architecture, whatever we are having. Yes, guys, here I'm taking one external system. External system, nothing but yes, this one. Yes, just let me take one new system. Yes, we'll take one new one. Or else let me delete this one. Why we need this? No need. Let me delete this one. Okay, now this is external system. I'm taking one new external system. Yes, EKS system. EKS system. Yes, guys. Then in this EKS external system, so here we are going to installing AWS CLI. Then we are going to installing Terraform. Of course, for today, no use. Because we are not going to set up in this EKS setup by using Terraform. In upcoming classes, yes, we are going to set up by using Terraform IAC also. But in today's session, we are installing Terraform also in the external system. In the same external system, we are going to install kubectl for managing nodes and executing pods and all. For one more, yes, EKS CTL for configuring environment, Kubernetes cluster environment. We are installing EKS CTL. Majorly, these two are very important. Once we configure, when we are going to starting for configuring Kubernetes cluster, these two are important. Before that, AWS CLI is important for configuring access key and all. So once it's over, directly we are moving into kubectl installation and EKS CTL installing in the external system. So once it's over, then so when we are starting kubectl and EKS CTL, yes, the Kubernetes cluster will start. Then in this Kubernetes cluster, we are having two modules. One is control plane modules. One part is control plane. I mean that manager node. Then in this control plane, so this is the API. It acts as a front end of the control plane. Then we are getting this etc by default. By default, we will get it's a database storage. I mean that Kubernetes cluster database storage. It is used for to store all cluster configuration, current state, desired state, and configurations. Each and everything the database information stores into this etcd. Then one more for scheduling parts on the worker nodes. We will see slowly. We will see one by one, step by step. So how it will work. So what kind of files, what kind of data we can store in etc. Okay, etcd, and how we can schedule everything. We will see that. But this is the basic or default architecture of the Kubernetes cluster. Then, yes, we are taking that one more concept. I mean that automatically we will get kube controller. Inside this, once we configure this Kubernetes cluster, these components will come into the control plane. Kubernetes, kube API server, etcd, kube scheduler, and kube controller, and one more cloud controller. And one more we will get that. One more we will get container runtime. By default, we will get container runtime in all missions. All missions mean control plane and worker nodes. So this cloud controller used for to manage cloud credentials. Externally, we are logging into the cloud, any one cloud. This cloud control will take the responsibility to set up entire environment internally to set up this entire Kubernetes cluster. At present, we are using AWS for configuring this Kubernetes cluster. It's calling as a EKS, Elastic Kubernetes cluster. Okay, guys. Then, so once it's over, so it connects to the cloud, external link cloud to Kubernetes cloud controller. So once it's over, it connects to API server. Then one more component, one more module, that is worker node block. So in this worker node, we are getting that kubelet, kube proxy, and container runtime. So kubelet for managing all pods and all, and kube proxy used for managing in and out, internal and outer network components. So these first two modules are two parts in the Kubernetes cluster. Then the kubectl, whenever we are going to executing command, whenever we are going to executing each and every kubectl command and EKS CTL command, each and every command, first of all, it goes to kube API server. So initially I told that now, yes, it's the front end of the Kubernetes control plane. It acts as a front end of the Kubernetes control plane. Okay, guys. So each and every command goes to kube API server. From there, it will distribute. It depends on our requirement, which command we are going to executing. Based on that command, it will goes to maybe it is database side, etcd, and maybe it is for schedule purpose and kube controller purpose or cloud control purpose. Okay, guys. Then one more step, kubectl. So whenever we are going to executing each and every command related to cluster, nodes, pods, networking, services, deployment, namespaces, each and every command we are going to executing from the kubectl. Yes, these commands goes to, first of all, it goes to kube API server. From there, the API server, it will take the responsibility to execute or to manage based on our requirement. So this is the process, guys. Okay. Then, guys, yes, here we are going to executing some command. Yes, like that. Yes, I forgot that to write here. So the connection goes to kube proxy server and kubelet and worker nodes, guys. Okay. Yes. Next one. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Yes, guys. Then now we are entering into the practical session. Guys, this complete practical section executing by complete shell script. Okay, let me show you step by step. Guys, already we have taken this server. Yes, now just I'm increasing little bit processors. Yes, I'm taking 2 processors and 4 GB RAM I'm taking. No problem. 2 GB RAM also enough, and 1 processor also is enough. But if you have that additional resources, yes, you can add little bit, it will go fast. Okay. Yes, guys. Next, to launch this mission. This is the external mission. And meanwhile, log in into your AWS account. Yes, I'm signing into signing into AWS account. Yes, use root account. Yes, meanwhile, login and use that super putty. Yes, I'm using super putty, and you can use. And yes, root. Yes, IP space A. Yes, 213.192.168.254.213. Yes. Yes, guys, it's a newly created server. Then yes, move to AWS account. Yes, login into your AWS account. Yes, guys. See, guys, here we don't have any kind of instances. Okay, we don't have any one single instance. And okay, yes, snapshots also we don't have, volumes also. Yes, you can see. So here we don't have any kind of volumes, security groups, elastic IPs. Those are the default. Yes. Next, elastic IPs. See, guys, here we don't have any. Okay, load balancers also we don't have. And coming to VPC, so we are having default VPC. So we will get NAT gateways, subnets, route tables, everything we will get, guys. Once we configure EKS, we will get VPC, subnets, route table, NAT gateways, and elastic APs also we will get. Okay, yes, security groups also we will get. Each and every one we will get once we configure that EKS cluster. So at present we don't have any. Yes, so even if you want to see that, just I'm showing you. Here we don't have any kind of EKS. See, guys, nothing here. This is the dashboard, and the clusters also you can see. Nothing here. We don't have any kind of clusters. So by using command EKSCTL command line, yes, we will create each and everything. Okay, manually we are not going to creating here. By using shell script and in the command line, by using EKSCTL, we will create clusters, node groups, security groups, subnets, each and everything we will create, guys. So now coming to yes, this part. Yes, be in the OPT folder, cd/OPT. Yes, guys. Now these are empty. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Here we don't have anything. Now we are going to installing. We are going to installing one by one. So one by one mean, first of all we are going to installing first one AWS CLI. AWS CLI. Let me install AWS CLI on external server. So this is the external server. So and here I already have that scripting also. Yes. This is the scripting, guys, for installing Terraform and AWS CLI. Just take this one. Yes, copy this one. And VI AWS CLI and Terraform setup.sh. Yes, paste here. Then ll chmod +x. Yes, we have added. Then one more. So, uh, okay, yes, we will get once again on the new. This one is the existed. This one is the existed information about access key. What is that? Region, format, whatever we are having. Okay. Then, so one more for adding access keys and all. Yes, I have prepared this one also shell script. You need not enter manually. Just it will ask us. So if it already, so if AWS CLI configuration successfully, yes, we will get. If not configured properly, yes, we will get this one. Okay, let's copy this one. Yes, vi AWS config.sh. Escape shift colon WQ. Once again, chmod plus x AWS. Yes, successfully we have added. And one more. We are going to installing kubectl. Kubectl. Yes, copy this one, guys. I'll send you this shell script. Yes, now copy this one. So inside this, we are going to adding, we are going to downloading kubectl, and just we are giving that permission, and we are setting the path and exporting into bash rc file. Yes, vi kubectl setup.sh. Next, escape shift colon wq. Once again, chmod plus x kubectl setup.sh. Then one more. Then we are going to installing EKS CTL. Already we have given permission, but this is the command to execute. So first of all, let me finish. Now I'm going to, yes, you can execute this command also, or else you can execute this command. I'm going to executing this all by using shell script files. Copy this one. Yes. So vi EKS setup.sh. Yes. Shift colon WQ. Again, chmod plus x EKS setup.sh. Yes, guys. These are the files. Now we are going to executing one by one. Yes, copy these files. So I am writing one more script for this all files execution. Yes, dot slash, sorry. Dot slash. First of all, so we need to install AWS CLI first. We need to put in order. Then we need to configure AWS. Then we need to install kubectl. Then we are going to installing EKS setup. So we are going to executing all these files. Yes, vi Kubernetes setup dot sh. Kubernetes setup dot sh. Copy this one. Yes. Yes. Hit the enter. Then copy these files. It will take that responsibility. Then one more we are having that node group creation also. Already we are having, yes guys. So we need to create one public key, and this is the demo one I'm choosing. Yes. And here also I have that shell script. Yes, EKS demo. This is the shell script file. Yes, I'm taking that EKS demo or Kubernetes. Kubernetes. Okay, I guess dev EKS. Just I'm saying that development environment. Dev environment EKS, and I'm choosing that AP South 1. AP South 1. Yes, AP South 1 zones, subnets. Yes, AP South 1 A and B node group EKS demo. Yes, just I'm taking this one. Network gateways, NAT gateways, NG. Yes, we are choosing that node types T3 medium, minimum nodes 2, maximum nodes 2, node volume size, I mean that storage 20 GB, and cube demo. This is the public key. Let me create one more new key. Yes, be in the EC2. Yes, come here. Key pairs. Sorry, click on key pairs. Yes guys, already we are having. If you want to choose this one, or else if you want to choose this one, yes you can choose, or else you can create new one. Yes, dev EKS. Yes, I'm choosing that PEM file. Then click on create. Yes, I'm putting in Project-5. Yes, we need to place this file into Linux server. I'm choosing Linux server. I'm not choosing Windows. Okay, just take this one, copy this one, then move to, yes, place here. Yes, this one guys, and this is the cluster information. So what we are using, region, cluster, time. Yes, here we have mentioned that cluster name, region, zones, node group, node type, minimum nodes, maximum nodes. Okay, node volume size, each and everything we have given details, and from there it's for creating cluster, and for updating this one, associate with the IAM. Why? DC provider. Then we are going to creating node group. So in the node group, how many we have added? This node information, node group name, node type, minimum nodes, maximum nodes, node volume size, storage. Yes guys, this information here we have added, and public key, already we have added public key, each and everything. Yes, now I'm taking this one. Yes, directly just move this one. Yes, first of all, dot node group dot sh, node group dot sh. Yes, save this one. we need to create that. Next, once again, vi node group.sh, yes, and paste here, escape, shift colon wq, yes, here at spelling, this is very important, node group, yes, now chmod +x node group and chmod Kubernetes, yes. Okay, so yes, +x, yes guys, now everything we have prepared. Now we are going to executing the first one, Kubernetes setup.sh. Yes, once we call that, automatically these all files one by one it will execute from this file. Now /, yes, now we are starting guys. So what we are doing, we are going to installing first AWS CLI and Terraform, then it will ask us AWS configuration. Before that, yes, okay, we will see there. So here, when it comes into AWS configuration step, we need to give that access key and name, region, and default format. So now it's going to installing. This is calling as a little bit automation. If you have prepared this environment, just we can execute all at a time. And in upcoming classes, we are going to executing this all by using Ansible or Terraform, or else we can execute by Jenkins CI/CD pipeline also. Guys, here it will take some time. Please be patient. Yes, now extracting. Yes, guys. See, now it's coming into AWS configuration location. Here we need to add key, access key, and key ID, key password, and region, and default format. So now come here. Yes, now be in the IAM. This is important. We need to click on that users. So already I have this one, just I'm going to deleting this one. Yes, it's deleting. Yes, successfully deleted. Now guys, we are going to creating one new user. Click on that create user. Yes, you can name that dev EKS. Dev EKS I'm creating. Just click on that next. Then click on that attach policy. The attach policy is AWS administrative access. Select this one. Then scroll this, click on next. Yes, click on next. Guys, today we are seeing a little bit a new look on this AWS pages. Now guys, successfully we have created. Then click on that dev EKS. Then click on that security credentials. Now come here. Guys, this is complete new look and feel. Click on that create access key. Yes, click on that command line interface. Then click on that I understand the above recommendations. Yes, click on this next. No, if you want to give that any description, you can give, or else you can just click on that create. access key. Successfully we have created. Now it's asking key. Copy this one and move to your location. Just paste here. Then it's asking key. Yes. Then paste here. Then it is asking. So by default already as example. So if you want to give same one AP South one, yes you can choose. I am choosing that Mumbai region first. I am choosing. Yes, just click on that. Click on that EC2. Just click on that. Yes, already I'm in Mumbai region. This one, guys. I'm choosing AP South one. Just copy this one and paste here. And the default, yes, I'm saying that JSON, or else you can enter. Yes, guys. We have added successfully. This is the key information. So it came here. Something went wrong inside that script file. Yes, save and exit. I think I have added that VA or something that so that reason it came. We need to modify that. Now it's going to executing kubectl setup. Maybe I have added that command, what is that, LL or something. Okay, so that reason it's saying that command not found. Line number 14. In line number 14, yes, guys, this one, CC. That one. So we are getting here, but it's a skip that statement. This one skipped by that controller. Okay, it's going. Yes. Just wait, guys. It will take some time. Guys, it will take some time. Please be patient. Yes, guys. Now the process started for configuring EKS CTL dev EKS cluster. Now the process started. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes, minimum 10 to 15 minutes. It will take time to finish this task. Not only for me, yes, who are going to set up this one. Those all guys have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. And you should not disturb this one in the middle of the process. Yes. So this is the advantage with the shell scripting, guys. So we can automate simply and easily without involving on each and every step. And we can use multi-purpose. And we can manage as a templates also. Of course, now whatever I have prepared these all scripts, for next time, these all are calling as a templates. Just you can take this one, just modify that EKS cluster name and region and what is that type of nodes or worker nodes, and you can change that information. And it depends on that. Maybe for today, yes, I'm using that AWS CLI version present current whatever the latest version is there, I'm using. And the Terraform also I'm using that latest version, and the kubectl also I'm using that latest version, and EKS CTL also I'm using that latest version. If you are going to using these shell scripts for after 1 month or after 2 months or after 1 year, maybe these versions are varying. You need to modify those versions. Otherwise, if you are using the same shell script files, yes, you are going to installing with the deprecated versions. Yes, I'll give you this all shell script files, guys. You can execute like how I have executed, same that you can execute in your environment also for setting this AWS EKS setup. In upcoming classes, we are going to working on this Kubernetes, working with control plane, nodes, pods, namespaces, deployment, next classes. Okay, from today onwards, we are going to concentrate much more on Kubernetes also. I'm pausing this video, guys. Yes, guys, so you can see here. So cluster successfully created. Add-ons also created. Okay, yes, EKS cluster is ready to use AP South 1 region. In EKS cluster, dev EKS in AP South 1 region is ready. If we want to see that node information, just apply that kubectl get nodes. If we want to see information about this dev, yes, we can apply kubectl get cluster information. Okay, yes, we will see, guys, each and everything we will see. And this is the config file. This is very important. In upcoming classes, we are going to working with this path.kubeconfig, because we are going to integrating with this Kubernetes with Jenkins. For the time, it's useful. And now it's going to creating node group. It's added. See, guys, EKS cluster setup is completed. Very simple. Just I have prepared all shell script files. Then I have executed. Now you can apply that kubectl get nodes. So how many nodes we have taken? Just we have added 2 nodes. If you come here, inside this we have mentioned minimum 2 nodes. Guys, inside this, yes, it's having that high availability, load balancing, auto scaling, everything is having that. Load balance it's having, auto scaling it's having. So if any one server will down, I mean that any one node will down, automatically it will take from this maximum nodes. So always it will put 2 nodes in working state. Minimum nodes, 2 nodes, those 2 nodes always they should be ready to work. Okay, yes, size. Now you can come here, just refresh this page. Now we can see nodes, running nodes, EKS cluster name. See, guys, 2 nodes. See, dev EKS NAT gateway public 1. Just we can rename that. And coming to what is it? Yes, Elastic Kubernetes service. Now you can come here. You can see the cluster name also. See, guys, dev EKS, and click on this one. Yes, now you can see that a node compute nodes information. See, guys, just click on that dev EKS ng. Yes, click here. Now we can see 2 nodes. 2 nodes here. Yes. How many nodes are here? 2. Desired nodes 2. This is the current state and the desired state. Current state and desired state. Maximum. So guys, node group, ARN, and subnets by default. Easy to keep it. Okay, yes, if we want to see that in IAM roles, just wait, it's loading. See, guys, this are EKS CTL dev EKS node group. Okay, so automatically it will create. Okay guys, so successfully we have created this EKS cluster. So it's very simple and easy. Just if you want to get that, if you want to see that kubectl cluster in spelling mistake. See guys, this is the cluster. Kubernetes control plane is running. Okay, on this AP South EKS. Okay. Yes, if you want to see some more information about the dump, yes, you can apply. See guys. Okay. So we will get this all dump in the information. Okay. And we are having commands, services, configurations, pods, networking related, and namespace related, deployment related. So we are having different commands. So we can get this. So in next class, we will see how we can deploy and how we can create namespaces and how we can create pods and how we can deploy, and we will discuss much more about it, this Kubernetes cluster in depth. We will discuss this. Guys, if we want to delete this EKS cluster from command line, yes, we can delete. Just apply this one, guys. Now it's going to deleting. I mean that it's going to erasing complete end to end. Whatever we have configured, so it will delete that. What is that? Cluster name, node groups, and NAT gate. Each and every whatever we it's taken for configuration. Those all services will erase by that command. Don't forget about this one. If you don't have any kind of requirement with that Kubernetes cluster, EKS cluster, after configuring this, better to erase that. If you want to configure once again, yes, you can configure. You will get some more experience once again. Then you can work with Kubernetes after configuring. T3 medium size instances we are taking. So free services will consume, and some pro services, paid services also will consume. So why we want to waste that services? So that is it better to remove this. Whenever you want to reconfigure once again, just if you execute these files, hardly it will take 15 to 20 minutes. You will get it. Then you can go through this EKS cluster for executing different services. Wait for some time. I mean that minimum 5 to 10 minutes you have to wait once again for erasing this one. So you need not to delete each and every one manually. Console. Guys, after deleting EKS cluster, yes guys, see guys, successfully we have deleted all cluster resources were deleted. Okay, and if you apply that, the commands once again, you can see cluster info. See guys, nothing. Okay, get connection refused because that EKS cluster is not available. Yes, just you can apply that kubectl get nodes. See guys, right, host or port, something is mean it's not available. It's not available, that resources, cluster, each and everything. Now if you come to see guys, this we have chosen 2 nodes, minimum 2 nodes. Those 2 nodes were deleted. See guys. Okay, next coming to cluster, no clusters. See guys, cluster information, nothing here. Okay, so we have deleted successfully guys. And here we are having this one. Yes, I'm going to deleting this one also. Yes, users. Yes, I'm going to deleting this. Yes. Yes. Successfully deleted. Okay. That's all, guys. Successfully we have deleted. And here, if you come to NAT gateways and subnets, see guys, subnets, default subnets, three are there. Under route tables, default route tables, internet gateways, okay, elastic IPs, nothing, everything it will erase. Okay, so NAT gateways also default. Yes, see guys, see here we are having this one also. I'm going to deleting action. Yes, so already it's deleted. Maybe it's under process. It's under process. This one also deleted, guys. It will take some time. It will take some to erase this complete information. Security groups also. These are the, this is a default one. Maybe we have created one instance for that. So maybe that time it's created. No, it's not related to EKS. Okay. So this is the information, guys. Successfully we have deleted that EKS cluster. Okay. Thank you, guys.